Everyone, and welcome back to Educate Cube's Advanced Microsoft Excel PowerPoint tutorial. In this video, we will see how to import data from another Excel workbook using Power Query. So, are you tired of manually copying data between Excel workbooks? What if there was a faster, easier way to import data automatically? In today's video, I will show you exactly how to import data from another Excel workbook using Power Query. This method will save you time, reduce errors, and help you become an Excel pro. Now, my first question is why use Power Query for importing data? Well, importing data from another Excel workbook is one of the most common tasks Excel users face, especially if you are working with multiple files. Instead of doing this manually, Power Query automates the process, ensuring your data is always up to date with just a few clicks. This is a must-know trick for anyone working in Excel, for analysts, beginners, or advanced Excel users. Now, let's move to the Excel, and I will show you how to import data from another Excel workbook using Power Query. Open your Excel file and head over to Data tab. Click on Get Data. From My File option, go and select From Excel Workbook. A pop-up window will appear to select your file. So here I'm going to select my file from my desktop. Here I will select Educate Cube 1 Excel X file. Okay, I'm just importing it. Another window pop-up will come over here. To select the sheet, I will select Educate Q1 XLX. Okay, I will click on Transform Data. Now here you get all your data. You can also apply transformations in Power Query. Example, filtering rows, removing duplicates, or combining data. Okay. One of the best features of Power Query is its ability to clean and transform your data before you even import it, without affecting the original data. This means the original data remains unchanged while you work in Power Query. All transformation applied in Power Query are confined to the current file only. Other features include removing duplicates, filtering unnecessary rows, or merging multiple sheets into a single clean table. This saves you both. This saves you from performing these tasks manually later on and ensuring your data is analysis ready. Okay, I will just click on here, close and load button, and here is all your data available in the current file. Okay, now if you want to take your Power Query skills to the next level, here are a few advanced Excel tricks with Power Query. First, always close the original file while working in Power Query. If the file is open and you are trying to work in Power Query, it will throw an error. Second, automate data refresh so that your imported data updates whenever the source file changes. Third option is consolidate Excel files from multiple folders into a single combined data set. Okay, we will be covering this in our coming video. If you need access to the Excel files we are using uh, during our explanations, you can join our LinkedIn or WhatsApp group. The link to both the groups can be found in the description. You can see if we, this is our video. In every video, you can find this link of a LinkedIn group or WhatsApp. As soon as you click on this LinkedIn group, you can see you will be automatically transferred to our SQL Server or Power BI enthusiast group in LinkedIn. Okay. When you send us a request to add members, you will automatically get added and you will get a welcome note containing the link to download the practice files. Alternatively, you can post a message in either the LinkedIn or WhatsApp group to request a link. And please feel free to ask any question on these platforms as well. If you found if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Educate you for more Excel tips and tricks, how query tutorials, and advanced Excel training. Make sure to hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions about importing data from another workbook using Power Query. Thank you everyone in this particular video. We will connect in another video. Thank you everyone. Till then, bye bye.